Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to add and remove an open house in OneKey MLS. So if you don't know how, Google OneKey MLS, you'll go to their main page and then you can click either Stratus or Matrix. We use Stratus here at Hauseit. Enter your login. Go to your listings. If for some reason you can't find them, perhaps you're looking for a pending listing, remember you can always hit Office Inventory, select Pending, and then search, so you'll see everything. Then carefully confirm the time and date of the open house that you wish to make. So for example, here, our clients of our agent-assisted FSBO listing service can send a support ticket. So we have to confirm the details here exactly. So you can either click on the checkbox here to select it and then hit edit, or you can actually go to the listing itself, hit edit. You'll see here is edit open house info. Select add an open house. You'll notice here that the open house is selected as by appointment only. This means that people need to still contact and confirm an appointment before just stopping by. So it's more of a availability window versus a public open house where anybody can just walk in. Note that in the OneKey MLS, first of all, you would select public because this is publicly available. Keep in mind, however, that there is no way to mark an open house as quote-unquote by appointment only. So what you can do then in that case is just place in the description by appointment only. And then select the right date and then the start and end time. You'll see that this is starts, it's on 8:20 and then 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Should always go to your listings later. It might take some time to refresh to just double check that the open house has reflected and is showing up. If you scroll down, you'll see that open house, public 8:20, 10 to 11 a.m. Always double, triple check your work, 8:20, 10 to 11 a.m. You'll see that we noted here by appointment only. And then as usual, when you complete any listing update, take a screenshot. And then this way you can send it to the client. You can usually attach this to the ticket when you respond. So here you can reply. First of all, insert the canned response. This is what it looks like. Insert canned response. And then perhaps at the bottom, or usually we attach, but depending on how you took your screenshot, in this example, we're just going to copy and paste it here. And of course, you'll have to do this for the other portals where the property is listed too. So for example, in this case, this would also be listed on StreetEasy because it's a New York City listing, and also the Revenue RLS via Realtors. So you would need to take and include screenshots of those as well. And then this way the seller can self-audit and make sure that their listing update was indeed done. So that's how you do it. And let me just show you how to remove an open house. So were you to wish to remove that open house, you would again search for the listing you're looking for and then hit edit and then edit open house info. And then you would simply hit the minus sign here, and then this deleted it, and then you would hit submit. We're not going to do this in this case because the client actually wanted to add it, but you would hit submit and then that would clear out the open house. So as you can see here at this at the bottom of this response, the stock can response to the seller, we've included screenshots for OneKey MLS, RealTMX, which is what we use to access the Revenue RLS, as well as StreetEasy. So it shows the client this way can verify for themselves that on all places their open house has been added. And then once this happens, make sure you just hit send and set as resolved or closed. Send and set as closed. So as you can see, what we recommend when doing these is to just be logged in to all the places you'll need to regularly make updates. For example, Stratus, RealTMX, StreetEasy, just be logged in. This way, when you do need to make a listing update in all of these places, you're already logged in. It's quick, doesn't take any longer than maybe 5-10 minutes. And we hope this is helpful. My name is Chris at Hauseit, and we hope to see you on the next one.